Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Zara haul. If you can hear, I do have a slight cold. I was driving with the AC on to try and stay awake and I gave myself a cold. And plus it's really cold in my house. But yeah, bear with me. I'm feeling a bit ill. Hope you like the dress. It was from my other Zara haul. Beautiful dress. Worn it now twice. Wore it to Bicester Village and wore it for dinner out. Love it. Got lots of compliments. Just a beautiful dress. It's gonna stay in my wardrobe forever because it's just stunning. Anyways, let's get straight into this video. This dress is gorgeous. I really like it. It will look so nice with my new Louboutins. I got them as a gift, just because. And they're comfortable ones. They're called the Fifi. I'm gonna do a review of them. Don't worry. But this would look gorgeous with them. The only thing I don't like about this dress, it's really short. It's quite, you know, risque, but I love the print of it. I love this, like, on the side, like, ruched effect, long sleeves, and then you've got, like, they're tight a little bit here, but, like, not uncomfortably tight, like, they just feel nice. Wait, is it recording? I always have to check, because I can't see it. I should use my mirror. Anyways, really love the print. Kind of looks gorgeous. Style it out with these earrings. Could wear silver shoes as well, or I can wear my black earrings and then my Louboutins. So it has a zip. Can you see the zip is like diagonal, and then this tie up at the top, and then it does have shoulder pads, but they're pretty comfortable, nice and soft, so really lovely. Like it. Bit concerned about how short it is because it does, like, as you walk it does move up. And not really feeling that, because I don't mind dressing sexy, like, I don't mind it. I do prefer it to be more classy and more covered up and conservative, but I don't mind dressing sexy. But I don't like, you know, if I'm walking and I get the feeling that people can see my underwear, like, that's not cute. So bear in mind, if you're tall, I would stay away from this, because I'm short, I'm 5'4", and I'm struggling with this, and so not made for tall girls. It is £50 and I got it in a size small. So yeah, cute. Oh my gosh, I have so many shoes I can wear with. Like these, and they're so cute because it's like a bit rock star, isn't it? But yeah, it's so short. These are from Primark, can you imagine? Okay, yeah, beautiful dress, bit on the short side, and maybe because I got hips as well. You know, the hips make things move. Okay, here's the next dress. It's a bit long to tie up because it has the buttons, and as you can see I made a mistake. I missed one and then I got tired and I was like, oh my gosh, let's just put the dress on. So you're going to need someone to help you, unless you're very patient and you have like a full length mirror. But yeah, this is the dress. I really like it. It's quite nice and simple. Really nice, I think, for like brunch. Love the colours of it. It's very much getting into that autumn winter vibe. I love wearing bright things, bright colours, but I do dress with the season, and yeah, I think it's cute. Do I love it? I don't know. No, to be honest, I don't love it. But I think it's cute. Nice for like a nice dinner. Okay, it has a slit as well on the side. I love the print of it, and it feels pretty good on. My bra is kind of ruining it, so you should wear without a bra. And I love the buttons, like the bridal buttons. They're so lovely. They're so gorgeous when they're done up, but I'm just too lazy to do them myself. Sorry about the beeping noise. We have a smoke alarm, but we can't change the batteries. It doesn't allow you to open it. You actually have to get someone in, and they have to, like, I think, change it themselves. We can't do it, and an electrician has to do it, which is so annoying because we keep meaning to do it, but we keep forgetting. I will do it one day. And you won't have to hear that. But yeah, cute dress. It was £50. Do I think it's worth the money? Maybe not. I would, if you like it, I would consider waiting until the sales, unless you love it. If you love it, get it. If you like it, wait for the sales. It may end up in the sales, and if it goes, you'll find something else. That's how I personally shop. Okay, this dress is gorgeous, perfect for this season. Really gorgeous dress. Nice thick material where it actually keeps you warm. Like how it's structured here. I'm wearing a nice M&S bra. Oop. Oh my gosh, sorry. I felt something on me. Didn't know if it was like a spider. Oh my gosh. Yeah, feels great on my skin, and then it's got like the material's extended at the end to give it a bit of a flare. But gorgeous. It feels like high quality, like I feel expensive. I would wear it with some nice thigh-high boots or short boots. Someone's calling me. Yeah, so love this, love this. Little zip up here. Size small, £30. I really like this, but I'm questioning if it's going to end up in the sale. I am questioning that because it's so nice. Oh my gosh. And you could wear trainers with it. These aren't mine, these are my mom's. But like this would be perfect. Just like nice for like a day out when you want to go shopping and you want to stay warm, you know. I'd wear it like a leather jacket or like a nice long jacket and my pashmina, like so many things I could wear it out with. And I think if I dress it up with some nice like gold heels, I could get away wearing this for like dinner. So I like this. I really, really like this. I think it's a keeper, to be honest. So here's this denim dress. It looks nice on. It does have a dye smell. It does have a dye smell. So probably wash it by itself. Wash it by hand in the washing machine. Nice little belt with it. The problem is it looks huge on, and this is an extra small. This is extra small, like not small or medium. You can't size down. So although it looks nice, I don't like it because it doesn't fit, and I want things to fit, you know. So it's gonna be a return, but the buttons are really pretty. I just love that. I like when things are a bit different. Nice that it comes with the belt because it's versatile. You can actually take the belt off, use it for other outfits and stuff. Sleeves are nice. I like, you know, something a bit different out there. And here's the back. So I got it in a size small, and this was £50, so not worth it for something that doesn't fit nice on, although it looks absolutely gorgeous on. Gorgeous. It just looks baggy to me. It looks lovely. Like I look in the mirror and I'm like, oh my god, I look really cute, but it just feels like it's too big, like I bought the size too big. So Zara was bad in the sizing today. I was really disappointed. As if they're even watching. Maybe they are. You never know. You never know. So here is this super long blue high neck knit dress. Cute dress. Love the colour. Looks gorgeous on me. Not totally in love with it though. Super, super long. I'm 5'3" and it goes all the way down to my ankles. I'm 5'3", 5'4". I'm not 100% sure. I think last time I was 163 centimeters. So I'm in between the two, I think. But yeah, it's a cute dress. It is £26. Size extra small to small. I think it's nice. But I'm not in love. Of course you'd wear it without the bra strap. I'm sorry I moved off. I was just looking at myself in the mirror. So vain. Feels really good. The material does feel good. Like, because you know with knit, it can sometimes feel like itchy. This doesn't feel itchy. It feels nice. I would probably style it out with like some Doc Marten style shoes, or you could wear boots, but sometimes I want to be like a bit more casual, and then a leather jacket or a long black jacket. So yeah, I think it's cute. Don't love it. It's not amazing. It's not, you know, oh my gosh, I want this. So it's probably going to be a return. I am so sorry for all my sniffing. I just like snorted some, oh no, I just went and put some eucalyptus oil around my nose because it's quite strong. I don't think it helps the sinuses. But this is next. This top, basic white tank top, you need it. It's great quality. £10. Don't even have to wear a bra with it and you'll still be supported because it has extra lining. Great pound. Like £10 or £9.99, and I got in a size small. It is a must, like a basic. Did I get it? Yeah, size small. And then the skirt is cute. I really like it. I haven't got any brown boots, you know. Like I have, they're kind of brown, brownish grey. But I haven't got any nice, like, okay, I do have brown boots. But they're not that nice. They would look cute with this though. I think the skirt is cute. I like skirts because I'm such a dressy girl. I don't really wear skirts that often, but I really do like them. I think this would be cute with some thigh-high boots. Knowing me, I'll probably switch it to a black tank top and with my black thigh-high boots. Although I may go to Bicester Village and get the Stuart Wiseman ones, just because, you know, I want like a good quality pair that I'm going to keep forever. I just like spending money. Whoa, let's try and spend someone else's money. I'm joking. Anyways, yeah, this is cute. Really, really like it. Next up is this leather skirt. Love it. I have like a slim one which is like a snake print, and I've always wanted like something simple like this that's a bit like layered, and it looks exactly like my leather dress that I got from Miss Selfridge, which I love. Worn it out for a meal out at Zara's and loved it. I wore it for like the black leather, no, the black Zara Balmain knockoff blazer with some gold rings, necklace, earrings, and black and white, or black and gold shoes. As if like you can tell. I wish I had a picture. Oh wait, I'll try and put a picture. I'm not that smart, but I will try and put a picture so you can see what my outfit looked like. Mind you that I took a picture in front of the mirror and the mirror is not clean, so excuse it. But yeah, really, really cute. £27, a little bit on the pricey side, but it is a good quality skirt that will be in your wardrobe for life if you take care of it. So it could be worth it if it's, you know, going to be worn regularly. Just paired it up with the tank top, keep it casual, keep it simple, but I'll show you different styles of how I would wear it. Oh, show you the back. Got it in a size small. Okay, I absolutely love this satin top. The color is beautiful. This, like, I think it's not a royal blue, but it's a beautiful deep blue. It's satin. Paired it up with the leather skirt. Doesn't have to be paired up like this. You can wear trousers, jeans, whatever you want, but just an idea. Probably wear some nice boots. Some nice black heels. But yeah, this is gorgeous. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. You could also wear it for work if you want. £20, size extra small, because they're super baggy. I'll take it out so you can see, like, it's super baggy. This is an extra small. It doesn't even really like fit on my body tight. So size down, definitely. Wings. Yeah, beautiful. Great quality. Careful with the nails and the rings, of course, because satin is very delicate, and once it's like ripped, the whole thing can be ruined. But at least it's like a nice price. It's not too expensive. I love, 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 love this top. £12. Got this, like, it's not a cutout detail because it's two separate straps, but it looks like a cutout. Not wearing a bra. Feel really supported. Materials great quality. Wearing it with the skirt. Size small, if I remember correctly. I want to show you my lady. Oh, extra small, small. Really cute. It's a little crop top. Like, this is how the length of it. Really, really short. Great fabric, like nice and thick. And I think it looks really, really cute. Just gorgeous. Wish it was a dress as well. I just love dresses so much, but really, really like it. Really nice. Works perfectly with this skirt. I'm pleasantly surprised by this knit dress. Did not think I would like it as much. Maybe because on Zara things don't always look that nice, or nothing like wrong or saying anything bad about the model, but things just don't always look that nice on. But this is really, really cute. It's £30, so a bit on the expensive side. I may wait for it in the sale because I do like it. I go in a size small. I do like it, but I don't want to pay £30 for it because I'm going to wear it around the house or maybe like doing errands. And I would pay £30 for like a two-piece that I know I'm going to wear. Whereas this, may potentially end up in my wardrobe. I love that. I love when they're like this. Keep my hands warm. I love this. I'm going to wait for this in the sale. If it doesn't turn up in the sale, that's fine. Or maybe I may get it later on. But I don't want to keep it because I feel like it's going to go in the sale. That's just my thought. That's just my thought. But if you like it, get it. Like, don't be crazy like me. Comes with a hoodie, and the hoodie is massive. Thank you for us Afro girls. I probably would never use the hoodie though, but it rains in the UK, so I want to protect my hair, especially when I do a silk press or if I blow dry. So yeah, really, really cute. Nice length, like not too short, and it's warm as well. It's so cozy. I just put the heating on to try and help with my cold. But I've loved the Zara haul. My favorite item was that brown dress. After that, it was that top with the cutouts. Just my only problem with that cutout top is that we're going into winter now, and I'm like, I'm just gonna be wearing jackets that are gonna cover that cutout top bit, so I'm a bit concerned. So I probably would keep it though and just stay in my wardrobe until, well, I guess maybe a holiday, or if I'm out with friends, because you take your jacket off, don't you, when you go to restaurants and stuff. I would wear it like that, like with that mini skirt. Oh yeah, the skirt. I forgot about the skirt. Love the skirt. That's a keeper as well. Yeah, so brown dress, leather skirt, black top, keepers. Other items, probably going to be a return. This probably a return because I like it, but I think it's going to end up in the sale. I have a feeling. So that's the video done. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, all that lovely thing, all those lovely things to help me. And yeah, more Zara videos coming up because I love shopping. And I got some beautiful flowers. I don't know, let me show you. Let me show you my flowers. Here they are. I was gifted these beautiful flowers for finishing school. I don't know where the person got them from, but they're just so gorgeous.